This is part 2 of our discussion on the Tagalog Enclitic particle na. Tara! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. We're continuing our discussion on the particle na, which we started in the last video, which is part of a huge topic on the Tagalog Enclitic particles. As we have learned in the last video, the enclitic particle na is equivalent to the English now, already, finally, unlike before, instead of, even though, etc. It is used to convey finality and definitiveness in an action and expressing urgency and expressing time. We have learned of the following uses. When conveying doing a definite action, when conveying definitiveness in possessing something, when definitively expressing time or expressing doing an action at a definite time, and when asking questions requiring definite answers. There are more situations when to use the enclitic particle na, which we will talk about in this video. So, tara na! Simulan na natin. See, I have just used na. We use na as emphasis on an action taken or to be taken. We can illustrate this better with Tagalog verbs, like for example, kumain ka na, you eat now. Umalis ka na, you leave now. Matulog ka na, you sleep now. Maligo ka na, you take a shower now. Umuwi ka na, you come home now. These examples are in the imperative tense. You can use na in the past, present, and future like this. Naligo na siya. He or she took a shower already. Naliligo na siya. He or she is already taking a shower. Maliligo na siya. He or she will take a shower now. Cool? We also use na in emphasizing the competitive differences between persons or things, like, mas maganda na si Tess kaysa kay Marie. Tess is now prettier compared to Marie. Or, Tess has become prettier now compared to Marie. Higit na matangkad si Anton kaysa kay Peter. Anton is now taller than Peter. Pinakamalaki na siya ngayon. He is already the tallest now. Sobra na ang ginagawa mo. What you are doing is too much already. The particle na can also be used in phrases that convey definitive presence of a person or thing. We can illustrate this with demonstrative pronouns, which we have learned previously. Ito na. This is it. Or, this is my final choice. Iyan na. That's it. Or, that's my final choice. Iyon na. That's it. Or, that over there is my final choice. Dito na. Put it here. Diyan na. Put it there. Doon na. Put it over there. Nandito na. It is here now. Nandiyan na. It is there now. Nandoon na. It is over there now. Heto na. Here it is now. Ayan na. There it is now. Ayon na. There it is over there now. Ganito na. It's like this now. Ganiyan na. It's like that now. Ganoon na. It's like over there now. Lastly, here are some common expressions characterized by defiance, compromise, or surrender. Like for example, hindi na. No more. Not anymore. Ayaw na. I don't want anymore. Someone is giving up. Tama na. Enough. Tapos na. It's finished. Kahit na. Even though, whatever. Pwede na. It's possible. It can do. Sige na. Please, go ahead. Whatever. Bahala na. Come what may. Let fate take over. Oo na. It's a yes, you win. You'll hear these expressions a lot. Again, their meaning can slightly change depending on the context of the conversation. So there, we have discovered in this video and in the last video one of the most common particles in the Tagalog language. The use of the particle na can be more numerous, but what I have covered are the more common situations you will encounter. Like all enclitic particles, na is very hard to translate. But once you get the hang of it, you'll understand how it adds flavor to a phrase or to a sentence. We will continue our discussion on the Tagalog Enclitic particles in the next video, and we will talk about the particle pa. I hope you'll catch that, and please do leave a like because that's gonna be a great help in growing this channel. I will be seeing you soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.